only, and he said, I'm going to the gym right now. Like,
yo, this boy is already out. Hey, what's up, man? He's already out here. Yeah, he's trying to help out. He's doing some snow angels. Oh my God, this is crazy, yo. We got this snowball. Oh my God, I don't think he ever seen snow like this. Yo, this is crazy. Yeah, this is gonna be crazy right now, Jack. Yeah, I'm good right now. Oh shit, oh wait. Oh, they had a tow truck cut. Hey, Jack, let them handle. The police people are coming to help dig them out right now. Yo, for real, can't go straight. Yo, you just fell in the snow like that?
He's good. He's gonna be cool.
He is. Yeah, we is good. We'll come out a couple times. Here, stomp right here. Jump right here so all the snow can come off you right here. Like, you can stomp right here like that.
That was the same ambulance that he was talking about, probably.
Oh yeah, I did hear about that earlier. Jet is freaking leg deep in this snow. I don't think he ever, he never experienced this. This is crazy. This is oh! The snowman monster. The snow monster. Yeah. Okay.
come wider for daddy.
Oh.
Then coming out for grandpa.
Well, Grandpa went in really quick to go upstairs and get some gloves. You want to just stomp right here? Here, do me a favor. Go like this. Come over here and go like this. Get all this near here. Jump like that. There you go. You're really having the time of your life right now. This is sick, my boy. This is basically a whole circular driveway. But yeah, the snow been coming down since yesterday. Hey, having mad fun. Yo. You got so many layers. No, don't throw the snow on your face. Telling you, the thing can get nasty quick. Alright, I'm gonna run over here like this. Yo. So we're out here enjoying this crazy snowstorm. Jet is over here getting crazy. You getting crazy? Huh? Nah, he's turned up. He is loving this thing. I'm loving that he's loving this thing, man. Wait, I could probably get. I don't know what happened, but yeah. Okay, there we go. There we go.
I'm gonna go back.
What, back in the house? Why, are you too cold? We can take a break and we can come back out. The snow's gonna be here.
It's so cold.
You're cold? Alright, let's run back in the house. Let's go. Run fast. Say bye, Roger. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay. Alright, that lasted a solid a couple minutes, man. It's so crazy. So crazy. Jet, look, the police car came to get the ambulance little car, but then the police car got stuck. Alright, give me your hand. Come on. Walk fast. Run. I need you to have superhero powers. Superhero Jet is on the way. Superhero Jet does not cry. Alright. And when you get to right here, do some stomping over here. Hi, hello. I was looking to speak with Linda. Hey, Linda. Well, I'll be very upfront. I'm a realtor. I don't know if you just want to hang up or if it's okay to ask you a quick question about Oxford. Well, I know it's out the blue, but just seeing if you would ever consider leasing it out or maybe selling it in the future. Okay. Got it. Well, pretty cool. Well, that's really cool. Alright, I'll make a note of it and I sure will. There's no point in rechatting yet. Alright, bye-bye. Whoa. This is sick. Okay. Yo.
Now we can run up. Now we can walk this way.
They got snowmen out here and everything. Got the branches fell. Kinda crazy. Wow. Watch out, man.
Somebody got hurt.
Oh, they got the ambulance. Somebody got hurt already. It's so easy to step into that, Ma. Yeah. It's so much easier to come down that way. Oh my God.
You have 3?
Yeah, he has 3. He has 2 in his hand right now.
Oh,
So that's one. I'm gonna tell you right now. You wanna know something interesting? You know what? You don't want to practice.
oh, this is sick.